Hello, welcome back here to the channel. This is the continuous of the order that I made these components. I will show you how to make the assembly and restrict movements. For that I have, for be a little bit easier, apply some colors. Okay. The base needs to be the grounded component, here and here. The first component needs to be in the middle. Needs to be aligned here on this face with that face. Select the middle point here. That's okay. And the pin, the same process, the face here needs to be in the middle of the handle. It's okay. We can edit this and change to revolute here. Now we can revolve. Consider here to subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much. See you in the next video.